Hey everyone, my name is Heba and welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I sat down here in front of the camera to film something for you guys. I am in the process of editing our travel vlogs and I believe two of them already came out, the packing one and our travel day. I'm working on the third one now and editing those does take a little bit longer than these makeup videos. So that's why I haven't been uploading as much because they do take like 3 or 4 days per video, per vlog. But I'm taking a break from editing those now because my Beautylish Lucky Bag came. To be all honest, I wasn't about to get it this year or the day after Christmas last month. When the email came out for us to order it, I was on the road and I figured, you know what? If I get home and it's still available, I'll go ahead and get it. If not, it's okay. No harm, no foul. So by the time I got home and got ourselves situated, it's already been, I believe, like 2 hours after the emails were sent out. So I sat down and checked, and lo and behold, the extra large box was still available. So I placed an order. Maybe it might be a good one, who knows? But I'm not holding my breath because I have been disappointed in it, I believe last year and the year before. So that's why I wasn't thinking of getting it this year. But for some reason, when I checked, it was still available, so I figured, okay, why not? And probably because I was late in ordering it, that's probably why it was late in getting here, because it's Monday afternoon. I'm sure that there are a ton of videos out there of their unboxings of other people's Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxings. So mine will probably be last, but that's okay. That's okay. At least it's out there for you guys. I have to admit, this is quite heavy. Again, I'm not holding my breath. I'm not holding my breath, but let me let you know the net weight of this box. It's 1.89 pounds. So it is kind of heavy. But anyway, let's go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it yet. It finally came. It's literally, empty this out. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, 3:36 in the afternoon right now. And it came like 10 minutes ago. Okay, got my scissors. And I hope the lighting is still good. Okay, let me move over. All right. There we go. Here is the Lucky Bag paper. Oh, it says Lucky Bag 2023. Let me get my thumbnail. And let me read what this little tag says. Now, more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. And I do like the artwork on this tag. Very pretty and colorful. And of course, the paper that it comes in. Very pretty. It looks like it has like different places of different parts of the world, like the Eiffel Tower, the Liberty Bell, I guess Mount Everest, homes. Real pretty. Have some brown paper this time. It used to be black, I think. But this is nice because we'll use this as compost for our garden. And here is the bag full of lucky things in here. But first, let me show you the paper that it comes in. Just kind of let you see the designs on here. Really do like that. All right, let's see what we got in here first. Let's see, something like a pouch. I believe this is the Sonia G emblem. Oh, a little bag for brushes. That I like. I'm just getting something out here. It looks like to be Sonia G brushes. Guessed right. At least I hope it is. I mean, because we do have the bag and I do like this when we travel. This will be really nice to have. Okay, so far I kind of like this one. It's not Sonia G brushes. I believe it's the unit brushes, the one that comes in this orange handle. But it's a set of 4 and it looks to be for the eyes. It does have a flat shader brush, a blender, a pencil, and a fluffy brush. But I honestly like this bag though. I really do. So this looks to be like the Orange Series eye set. And it does cost $32 for these 4 brushes. And I did get the unit brushes last year. I believe it was a set of 5 or a set of 6. Yes, it was the Orange Series face set. So this year I got the eye set. Okay, at least it's not duplicates. I like that. And I'll have to check and see how much this bag cost. I really do like this though. Okay, let's move on. Next, we have something for the hair. It's by Oribe. And this is the Feather Balm Weightless Styler. Okay, I don't think I've ever tried this one before. So this is specially developed for finer hair textures. This ultralight balm smooths and hydrates while imparting a hint of hold to blowouts, air-dried textures, and finished styles that need a little polish. All right. I like this. This is nice. I'll add everything up at the end and see how much this bag is worth, but let's keep on going. And of course, we got something from Good Molecules. And this is the Sheer Mineral Sunscreen with an SPF of 30. I don't know, mineral sunscreens on me, it does leave like a white cast. Oh, but on the bottle, it does say minimum white cast sunscreen lotion with UVA, UVB protection for all skin types. Or not skin types, for all skin tones. Okay, that's good to know. Well, that's good that it doesn't leave a white cast, but we'll see when we try it. Next, we have something from Holy Frog, and this is the AHA Acid Wash. So is this a cleanser? Let me see. Yes, this is a cleanser. And I remember I did get a cleanser from Holy Frog, I believe a couple years ago, and I really did like that cleanser. But now we have one that has AHAs in it. If the glow is gone, you need to wash it back in. Clogged pores, rough texture, a zit or two, which I still break out. Gosh, I think I have a zit growing right there. We blended together the best combination of smoothing and brightening acids to penetrate into your skin while you wash. So far, I have to admit, I kind of like it, but we'll keep going. We'll see what palette we got in here. Okay, we have a houndstooth bag in here, another bag, and it looks to be something else from Sonia G. It has the envelope. So it looks like an envelope with that houndstooth checker, but let's open it up and see. Okay, it has some Velcro to it. No brushes in here, unfortunately, but okay, it does look like they can store brushes in here. Just for curiosity, I just want to see how much this one costs. I know I'm going to put everything at the end, but right now I kind of want to see how much this one costs. Wow, this bag alone cost $85, and it's called the Houndstooth Brush Envelope, and it does look like a little envelope. Now, I don't see this bag, so I don't know how much this one cost. I don't know. But this one cost $85, and it does have a nice place for your brushes. Okay, we do have something from Wayne Goss. It looks to be lipstick and a lip pencil. Let's make sure, because my eyesight is not as good as it used to be. But this is the Luxury Cream Lipstick, okay, in the shade Nutmeg. I think that's going to be what the shade is. Okay, it looks to be like a nude lipstick. It may be a little light for me, but we'll see, we'll see. And then the Essential Lip Pencil in Mauve. Okay, we got the Wayne Goss out of the way. And next we have something from MOB. And this is the Cream Clay Brush in M70. Okay, if it's any indication of what this color sticker looks like, I think it's going to be pretty. I like the packaging, very good. All right, and here is what M70 looks like. That's very pretty. I do like that. And I'm hoping this is the case for it. Yes, good. Because I don't want to leave a cream blush open like that. Actual name of it is just a compact. All right, and here is what it looks like. And it's magnetized too. And you know, I haven't heard of this brand before, Mauve. So it's good to try a blush. I do love blushes. All right, two more things left in here, and I'm pulling out the smallest thing, and it's a palette by Viseart. It's the Petit Fours, and it's the Emile. And I do kind of like this tone. I do like the colors in here. Look at that. That's pretty. This one has 2 mattes and 2 metallics. All right, so far I'm kind of liking it here, but let me check and see what the last one will be. And the last product that's in here is something from Natasha Denona, and it's the Retro Glam palette. Now, I don't have this one, and I can't remember the color story of it. Okay, now I think I remember. And yeah, it's the one with the cool tone with the greens, and the one that I think might be a little too light for my skin tone. But it does have some pretty shades in here, but I'm just not a big fan of the green shades in here, these right here, because it looks kind of cool. Oops. I don't know if it's going to be a little ashy on me, but it does have some other shades in here that I really do like. Well, all right, that is my lucky bag, and I have to say I am quite happy about it. All right, let me go ahead and add everything up, and let's see what this bag costs. Can't remember if I told you this one's the extra large bag, and it costs $150 plus $15 shipping plus tax. So I think everything was like $173 and some cents. So let's see how much this bag costs. Okay, I have 11 products in this lucky bag, and it's worth $370. I can't believe this. I had to do it twice to make sure. So this cost $85, and it doesn't even include this bag. I don't even know how much this bag costs, so I can't even guess how much this bag costs. But this envelope cost $85. I don't know if this goes inside here. I don't know. The unit brushes cost $32. Good Molecules cost $12. The Holy Frog cost $35. The Oribe cost $42. The Viseart palette cost $25. The Wayne Goss lipstick and lip pencil, let's see here. The lipstick is $28 and the pencil's $14. The MOB blush is $23 and this little compact is $5. And of course the Natasha Denona palette is $69. So everything here cost $370. Oh my God. That's $200 more than what I spent on this box. Well, gosh, I'm kind of glad I got it now. So yeah, $370 for this bag, and I'm happy with it. Besides the fact that the retro glam palette is a bit more cool tone, especially with the mint green, but I think I'm going to give it a try. I think I'm going to give it a try because I do like some of the the metallic shades in here, but this is a nice bag, I have to admit. Beautylish, you did yourself good this year with me. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I need to edit this one and then have this one up, and of course I'll start going back to my travel vlogs. And if you're not here for those, that's fine, that's fine. I may put in some makeup in between those because, like I said, editing those travel vlogs does take a little bit longer, and maybe I just need a little break and do a little bit of makeup. Throw some makeup videos in there. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.